In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between two popular online marketing platforms, Convertri and Systeme IO. For your convenience, the links to both Convertri and Systeme IO are in the description below, so you can try them out. Let's start with Convertri. Known for its lightning-fast page load times and intuitive drag-and-drop editor, Convertri offers a wide range of features for creating high-converting landing pages, sales funnels, and websites. With Convertri, you get access to customizable templates, A/B testing capabilities, and seamless integration with popular marketing tools like email autoresponders and payment gateways. Now let's take a look at Systeme IO. This all-in-one marketing platform is designed to streamline your online business with features such as email marketing, sales automation, membership sites, and affiliate management. Systeme IO boasts a user-friendly interface and a robust set of tools for building and scaling your online business. From creating opt-in forms to launching automated email sequences, Systeme IO offers everything you need to succeed in the digital marketplace. When it comes to pricing, Convertri offers $99 per month, while Systeme IO provide free start plan. Click the link in the description to try Convertri and Systeme IO for free.